Ever wondered who's backing the global financial platform that's changing the way businesses move money across borders? Airwallex, the fintech unicorn, has captured the attention of some of the biggest names in tech and finance. But who are these investors, and what do they see in this ambitious startup? Airwallex, a company that's rapidly reshaping the global financial landscape, has been making waves with its innovative solutions. From cross-border payments to currency exchange, this fintech powerhouse is transforming the way businesses operate internationally. But what's the secret behind their success? The investors behind the success. To understand Airwallex's meteoric rise, we need to delve into the minds of its investors. These are the individuals and institutions who've recognized the company's potential and backed it with significant capital. Sequoia Capital, a renowned venture capital firm with a history of investing in tech giants like Apple, Google, and WhatsApp. Sequoia has been a key player in Airwallex's journey, providing strategic guidance and financial support. DST Global, another prominent venture capital firm with a strong track record in tech investments. DST Global has been a major investor in Airwallex, recognizing the company's disruptive potential. Tencent, one of the world's largest technology conglomerates, Tencent has invested in Airwallex, leveraging its extensive network and resources to help the company expand its reach. Alibaba Entrepreneurs Fund, this fund, backed by the Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba, has invested in Airwallex, recognizing the company's potential to revolutionize the global payments industry. Square Peg Capital, an Australian venture capital firm with a focus on early-stage technology companies. Square Peg Capital has been an early investor in Airwallex, providing crucial support during the company's formative years. Why these investors? These investors are drawn to Airwallex for several reasons. Strong market opportunity. The global payments industry is ripe for disruption, with traditional methods often being slow, expensive, and inefficient. Airwallex's innovative solutions address these pain points, offering a more efficient and cost-effective alternative. Experienced team. Airwallex boasts a talented team of entrepreneurs and industry experts with a deep understanding of the financial services industry. This team's vision and execution capabilities have impressed investors. Rapid growth. Airwallex has demonstrated impressive growth, expanding its operations to multiple countries and acquiring a significant customer base. This rapid growth trajectory has caught the attention of investors. Scalability. Airwallex's technology platform is highly scalable, enabling the company to handle increasing volumes of transactions and expand into new markets. This scalability potential is attractive to investors. With the backing of these influential investors, Airwallex is well positioned to continue its growth trajectory and solidify its position as a global leader in fintech. As the company expands its product offerings and enters new markets, it will undoubtedly attract further investment and attention. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.